How to bypass activation lock on iPhone/iPad. Activation lock is a security feature designed to protect your device and your data in case of loss or theft. Removing it without proper authorization could compromise your device's security and leave it vulnerable to unauthorized access. Here are the official and secure ways to remove activation lock. 1. Using the Apple ID and password associated with the device *****. If you have access to the Apple ID and password used to set up activation lock, you can easily remove it by following these steps. ***, go to https://www.icloud.com/find on any device or web browser. ***, sign in with the Apple ID associated with the locked device. ***, select the device you want to remove from your account. ***, click erase device and follow the on-screen instructions. 2. Providing proof of purchase to Apple *****. If you don't have the Apple ID or password, but you have the original purchase receipt and the device is still under warranty, you can contact Apple support for assistance. They may be able to help you remove activation lock with proof of purchase. 3. Using a professional unlocking service, with caution ***, proceed with extreme caution if considering this option. It's important to choose a reputable service with a proven track record and understand the potential risks involved, such as voiding your warranty, compromising your device's security, or even breaking the law. Remember, removing activation lock without authorization is illegal and unethical. It's important to respect the rightful owner's property and privacy. Bonus tip: declutter up your iOS device. Clean My Registered Phone for iOS focuses on finding duplicate and similar images on your device and in your iCloud storage to help you quickly and easily reduce the amount of storage space your unwanted images take up. Over time, you take screenshots or snap burst photos, using what you need and ignoring what's left. Clean My Registered Phone finds those unnecessary files, and offers you the ability to bulk delete them from your device. It's the smartest app for those who need to delete tons of images before selling or gifting an iPhone.